And in Mexico that means only one thing. So crispy on the outside. Good morning once again from Mexico. Today I'm in a town called Xochimilco. It's about an hour on the metro from Mexico City. I've just arrived. There might be two special guests that you might be familiar with appearing in the video later on. Well, no gracias. So stay tuned for that. We're gonna have a walk around. There's some boats and like little canals and things, so it should be fun. Anyway, I'm late, so gotta go. Hey, I just want to quickly interrupt the video to say this mostly turns into a food video, eating different things around Mexico City. So I'll include where we're eating and how much it was. So yeah, that's coming up after the boat tour in Xochimilco. See ya, enjoy the video. So I found myself on a boat tour. It's going to be for about an hour. We've just set off. It took us about 15 minutes to get out of the parking thing. I don't know where you put boats. I don't know what you call it. I hope that doesn't come off the hour. Oh yeah, and look who I bumped into. It's Jason and Sonia from Peru. Well, they're not from Peru. They're from Canada. But I met them in Peru on the Inca Trail. You'll remember Jason from this. At least it's not my first hike. Hey Jason.
I'm fucked.
And you remember Sonia from this? There she goes again.
Yeah. Still recovering from the hike.
Yeah.
Still can feel my feet.
So sore.
So even on a boat you can't escape the vendors. And we're back at the port. Is it a port? Probably. So we've had an hour cruising around. It's quite enjoyable, peaceful, quite entertaining. And now we're off to look around the city and eat some tacos.
I think she's asking coffee.
So we've got a 20 pesos taco. So crispy on the outside. And delicious on the inside. So that's the first eating stop done. That was delicious. Really crispy tortilla. And nice succulent meat on the inside. Perfecto. So we've made it back into Mexico City and we're going to carry on eating here. Seems there was not that much to do in Xochimilco, so we're hitting this place now. Las Costillas, let's see what it's like. Lunch number 2, quesadilla. Very tasty. That's a good 6 out of 7. It's literally 2 minutes since that last clip and we're now eating here at El Piquito. I think I'll go for tacos this time after the quesadilla in the last place. Oh, look at this lot. Tacos al pastor especial, apparently. I'm not sure what's special about it, but we're going to find out. So here we go, first try. It looks so good. That is a strong 6 out of 7. If I had a slightly crispy tortilla, like earlier on in the video, it'd be a definite 7. But for now, it's a 6. My God, they were good. So good. Now, we're off to find desserts. And in Mexico, that means only one thing. Churros.
What do you think?
Good. Delicious. And that's the churros done, and that's the end of the eating for today. I can't eat anymore. I'd give the churros a 5.5 out of 7. They're very good, but not the best I've had. And so that's it for today. Next video, I think there might be one more from Mexico before I'm heading to a different country and a new continent. Stay tuned. See you in a bit. See ya.